Hey, this is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Quest Angler inflatable kayak from Jaspara. This kayak's pretty simple, so take everything out of the bag and unroll the kayak. What you need to do is place the valves into the inflate position. There's a little stem in the valve. Push the button and it pops up, and this basically means when you take that pump hose off, the air doesn't all release. The side chambers are between 3 and 5 psi, so 3 if you're a lighter person, 5 if you're a heavier person. The foot pegs are optional. I like to sort of brace as I'm paddling, and then I can use my whole body in the paddling motion. If you don't do that or they're annoying, just leave them out, not a big deal. In terms of the splash guards, which I'm about to show you in the bow and the stern, they are also optional. If it's really calm, you may wish to leave them out, but be aware that any water that lands here or here is going to run directly into your kayak. So it's a really good idea. The back one's really good if you're pulling up on a beach anywhere and then waves are kind of breaking behind you. The floor is a different type of material. It's full drop stitch, so it goes to 10 psi, so just have to alter your pump. I strongly recommend an electric pump for all of these Jaspara kayaks, because it just makes the process so much quicker and easier. Now, in terms of the seat, you definitely want to clip in the front first and then tighten it right up. The back straps are optional, but they do help you when you're getting in the kayak by keeping that seat back upright and not flopping forwards. Pop on the valve caps on all 3 chambers. That's just a fail-safe. Although there is a fin included, I wouldn't bother. We put the fin in there so that you could put a propeller in the back, right? It doesn't actually need the fin to track well. And you're away. If you have any questions on how to set up the Quest Angler from Jaspara, please get in touch. This is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks.